Question we are having question number 8. In the question number 8 we have to verify. What we have to verify is a into minus a is equals to a plus b. What you have to verify over here, that is LHS is equals to RHS or not, that we have to verify. Okay, so what is the equation we are having here? My a in a minus b is equals to a plus b. And what is the value of a and b we have to substitute? A we have to substitute at -1. Okay, and b we have to substitute as 18. Clear? Have you understood? So substitute in the part this equation value of a and b. So here 21 value of a minus 18 is the value of b is equals to 21 plus 18. Okay, now add it. When you are going to open this bracket, minus will become plus, isn't it? So 8 plus 1 will be 9, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 39 is equals to 39. LHS and RHS are equal, isn't it? The value of LHS and RHS both are equal. Hence we can say that the equation a minus b is equals to a plus b is verified. Okay. Now for the second part, we are having the number over here. What is the number? A minus b is equals to a plus b. Okay. Now what is the value of a we are having? That is 118, and value of b we are having 125. Clear? 125. Now substituting the value of a, 118 minus 125 is equals to 118 plus 125. Now 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. Now giving one carry, here it will be 4, here 2 is equals to 180 minus will be plus, so 125. Okay, again adding the number, you will get 243 is equals to 243 is the answer. Clear, student? So here again we can see that LHS and RHS both the parts are equal, isn't it? Both the values are coming equal. Hence we can say that our equation is correct. Now the third part we are going to see, third and the fourth part, in the same way we have to verify. So let's see the verification again for the third part. A minus b is equals to a plus b we are having, and what the value of a we have to substitute, that is 75, and b value we have to substitute as 84. Okay, now let's see. So 75 minus 84 is equals to 75 plus 84. Okay, now minus and minus will become plus, so again we have to open the bracket so that 84 become minus, as minus is present inside and outside the bracket. When it will get opened, it will become plus. Now adding 75 plus 84, it will become 159 is equals to 159. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Hence LHS and RHS both are equal. Hence it is verified. Clear, everyone? Now for question number 4, the value of A is given as 28 and the value of B is given as 11. Keeping the value of A is equals to 28 and B is equals to 11, we will going to solve the equation as we had solved for question number 8, first, second and third part. So when you are going to open the bracket, obviously minus and minus will become plus. So 28 plus 11, it will be 39. Again 28 plus 11 will be 39. Hence LHS and RHS both are equal. So our equation is correct. Okay, so here we had verified question number 8, all the 4 part. Now we are going to see question number 9. So here is question number 9. What the question number 9 says: use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the sentence true. So dear student, in order to make the sentence true, what you have to do, you have to solve and see. Without solving the question, don't put greater than, equal to or less than sign. So one by one we are going to solve and see which question is correct. So what is the first A part question we are having? That is -8 plus -4 bracket -8 -4. So we are going to solve this and let's see what the answer is coming. When you are going to open the bracket, plus and minus will become minus, and here again when you are going to open the bracket, minus and minus will become plus. Now minus and minus will become plus, so 8 plus 4 is 12. Now minus and plus will become minus, so 8 minus 4 is 4. And what about sign? Sign will be minus, as 8 is a greater number than 4, and whatever the number is greater, that sign will come in the answer. So dear student, which number is greater? Minus 12 is greater or minus 4 is greater? So here minus 4 is a greater number. So what will be the answer for the first part question is, this side is greater. Have you understood? Now the second part of the question we are having. Here is the second part of the question, that is -3 plus 7 minus 19, then bracket 15 minus 8 plus minus 9, isn't it? Now plus and minus will become minus itself, isn't it? So 7 minus 3 will be how much? It will become 7 minus 3 will become 4 plus 4. Why it is plus 4? Because 7 is a greater number. Minus 19. Okay. Now 15 minus 8 will be how much? 7. It will be plus 7, as 5 is greater number, that's why. Then minus 9. Okay, up to here. Now 19 minus 4 is how much? Minus 15. Bracket 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Now you can say that which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater. If minus 2 is greater, that means this side of the number is greater. Clear everyone? So you can see the C part. 23 minus 41 plus 11 is greater number. In the D part, 36 plus minus 52 minus 36 is a greater number. Okay, so in this way we had completed this question. Next question we are going to see about a water tank has stepped inside it. A monkey is sitting on the top step, that is the first. Water level is at the 9th step. Now this question we are going to see. Okay, what is said in the first question? It is said that a monkey is sitting at the water tank. Okay, the water level is at the 9th step. 9th step मतलब 9 स्टेप नीचे है उसका वाटर लेवल, मतलब 9th स्टेप में जब हम आएंगे नीचे तब जाकर के हमको वाटर मिलेगा वहाँ पर. Now here the question arises, he jumps 3 step down and then 2 step back. 3 step down if a monkey is sitting in the first step. अगर monkey first step में बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पर, तो वो 3 step down move करेगा. 1 2 3. ओके, अभी monkey का position यहाँ पर है. Then he goes to jump 2 step back. 2 step back, that means 1 and 2. The monkey's position is here now. पहले वो 3 step नीचे आया, फिर 2 step वो ऊपर गया. Have you understood the question? Then in how many jumps will he reach the water level? Now if the monkey is doing like this, that 3 steps down and 2 steps up, then how many, if the water level is at the 9th step, then how many jump he has to do? अगर water level 9 step में है और मंकी जो है वो 3 स्टेप नीचे उतर के 2 स्टेप ऊपर जा रहा है, तो वो कितने स्टेप्स के बाद, जंप्स के बाद, ओके, वो वाटर लेवल पे पहुंचेगा? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर, second part of the question number 10 is, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then 2 steps back. Steps down in every move. In every move that means हर स्टेप में वो 4 स्टेप ऊपर जाता है, 2 स्टेप नीचे आता है, फिर वो 4 स्टेप ऊपर जाता है, फिर 2 स्टेप नीचे आता है. दैट मीन्स ही इज डूइंग कंटिन्यूसली, ही इज यूज टू डू द सेम. जैसे पहले वाले फर्स्ट पार्ट के क्वेश्चन में 3 स्टेप नीचे आया, 2 स्टेप ऊपर गया, वो एक बार किया, बार बार नहीं किया उसने. बट इन द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वो बार बार कर रहा है कि 4 स्टेप वो नीचे जाता है, 2 स्टेप वो ऊपर आता है. सॉरी, 4 स्टेप वो ऊपर जाता है, 2 स्टेप वो नीचे आता है, ये उसने बार बार किया है. देन हाउ मेनी जम्प्स विल ही रीच बैक द टॉप स्टेप? ओके, hope you people understood the question, dear student. Now the third part, if the number of steps moved down is represented by the negative sign. अगर नीचे जाने का स्टेप, मंकी जितना नीचे जाएगा उतने नंबर्स को हम नेगेटिव साइन से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, और जितने बार स्टेप अप जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा मंकी जंप करके, उस नंबर्स को हम पॉजिटिव नंबर से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके, इन पार्ट 1 and 2 by completing the following steps like this, as the question is given. Okay, now let's see the solutions. Hope you people understood the solution, student. Question, when we are going to see the solution, it will be more clear to you. Let the step moved down by represent the positive integers and the steps moved up represent the negative integer. Okay, as I told you, monkey is going to steps 3 steps down एंड 2 स्टेप्स अप. 3 बार नीचे आता है, फिर 2 बार ऊपर जाता है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. सो इनिशियली द मंकी वॉज इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 like that the step is. So monkey is sitting at the first step now. Then he has to jump 1 2 3, then back 1 and 2. Like this is it is used to do, isn't it? So in the after first jump the monkey will be at step 1 plus 3, that is 4th step. Then after jump the monkey will be set at step, since here remember that when he used to come step move down, it will be taken as positive integer. When it moves up, ओके, जब वो ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस होगा, जब वो नीचे आएगा तो वो प्लस होगा. रिमेंबर दिस, ओनली दिस साइन विल हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. सो +1 + 3 विल बी 4 एज द मंकी इज कमिंग डाउन. सो वन स्टेप ही इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट, वो पहले स्टेप में है, 3 स्टेप वो नीचे जाएगा, तो नीचे जब जाएगा तो वो सारे नंबर्स प्लस में होगा, तो इसलिए 1 + 3 4 हुआ. ठीक है, अब सेकेंड स्टेप में जब वो स्टेप 4 में है, तो यहाँ पर अभी वो स्टेप 4 यहाँ पर है, तो वो 2 स्टेप फिर से बैक होगा. इफ़ द स्टेप बैक मतलब माइनस साइन आएगा वहाँ पर, तो 4 - 2 होगा वहाँ पर. यस, ऑफकोर्स इट विल बी माइनस, क्योंकि अगर वो नीचे आता है तो प्लस में आएगा, ऊपर जाएगा तो वो माइनस में आएगा. दैट्स वाई मंकी जब 3 स्टेप नीचे आकर के 2 स्टेप ऊपर जाएगा तो इक्वेशन कहाँ पर होगा हमारा, 4 + -2 विल बी 2. Second step, the monkey is in the second step here. This is the second step. Okay, understood? Now after third jump the monkey will be 2 + 3, because he used to do the continuation as I told you. Okay, so 2 + 3, then in the fifth step he used to go 2 step back above, so it will be minus, so 5 + -2, that is 3. Again थर्ड स्टेप में आके वो 3 स्टेप नीचे आएगा, तो 3 + 3 6 होगा. फिर 6th स्टेप में आकर 2 स्टेप वो ऊपर जाएगा, है ना. सो 6 + -2 कितना हो जाएगा, +4. नाउ ही इज इन द +4th स्टेप. लाइक दिस द जंप इज गोइंग ऑन टिल ही रीच द 9th स्टेप. ये जंप कब तक कंटिन्यूएशन में करता गया वो, जब तक वो वाटर लेवल जो है 9th पोजीशन में है, 9th स्टेप में, तब तक वो कंटिन्यूएशन में करता रहा। जैसे 3 स्टेप नीचे आया, 2 स्टेप ऊपर गया, तो जो ऊपर जाएगा वो जो 2 स्टेप ऊपर जाएगा वो माइनस रहेगा, और जो 3 स्टेप वो नीचे आएगा वो प्लस में रहेगा। ठीक है, ऐसा करके वो 9th स्टेप तक पहुंचा। सो हियर इज द सॉल्यूशन। सो क्लियरली द मंकी विल बी at water level, that is the 9th step, after 11 jump. After 11 jump, that means 11 jump he used to going on doing, because 3 step down, 2 step up, again 3 step down, 2 step up, like that the monkey is going to do. Okay, so that's why after 11 jump he used to reach the water level, which is at the 9th step. Okay, so this is the first part of the solution. The second part of the solution, initially the monkey was at 9th step. Obviously the monkey पानी पीने के लिए तो नीचे अब 9th स्टेप में उतर गया ना, क्वेश्चन 1 के अकॉर्डिंग। अब क्वेश्चन 2 के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर इट इज सेड दैट आफ्टर फर्स्ट जंप द मंकी विल बी एट स्टेप 9। मंकी 4 स्टेप ऊपर जाएगा, फिर 2 स्टेप नीचे आएगा। अब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया, क्योंकि मंकी जो है अभी 9th स्टेप में है, जहाँ पर वाटर लेवल है वो नीचे है। ठीक है, नाउ ही हैज़ टू गो टू द टॉप, उसको ऊपर जाना है, तो ऊपर जाने के लिए 4 स्टेप वो ऊपर जाएगा और 2 स्टेप वो नीचे आएगा। तो जहाँ पर वो ऊपर जाएगा स्टेप, वहाँ पर हम लोग क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग माइनस ले रहे हैं, और जहाँ पर नीचे आता है वहाँ पर हम प्लस ले रहे हैं। दैट्स वाई 9 why we are taking 9, because the monkey is sitting at the 9th level. So 9 plus -4 किस लिए, क्योंकि वो 4 स्टेप ऊपर जा रहा है, तो ऊपर जा रहा है मतलब माइनस, और 2 स्टेप नीचे आ रहा है मतलब वो प्लस। सो 9 plus -4 will be 5. The monkey is in the 5th step and he has to, मंकी जो है 5th स्टेप में है और उसको 2 स्टेप फिर से नीचे आएगा, तो नीचे आएगा तो प्लस। सो 5 plus 2 will be 7. Again the same thing is going to be repeated, that is 4 स्टेप वो ऊपर जाएगा, 4 स्टेप वो ऊपर जाएगा, फिर 2 स्टेप वो नीचे आएगा। द सेम प्रोसेस इज गोइंग टू बी कंटिन्यूएशन, एंड आफ्टर द 5th जंप द मंकी विल बी स्टेप एट 1. आफ्टर द 5th जंप द मंकी is going to be reach at the top, okay, of the water level, that means the step 1. अब इनिशियल पोजीशन स्टेप 1 पे वो मंकी पहुंच चुके हैं। क्लियरली द मंकी विल रीच एट द टॉप स्टेप आफ्टर 5 जंप. दिस इज द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द आंसर विल बी 11 jump, and for question number 2 the answer will be 5 jump. Now in question number 3 it is asked that if the step moved down are represented by negative integers and moved up are represented by a positive integer, then his move will be follows as -3. That means कितने 11 jumps लगे, so that will be doing the calculation like this. Okay, and for the second moves we will do the calculation like this. Moving on, we will get the -8 and +8 as an answer. Why we are doing here, whatever the things we did, the same is represented. So कहने का मतलब ये है कि मंकी को नीचे 9th लेवल पे पहुंचने के बाद जब ऊपर वो फर्स्ट स्टेप में फिर बैक पहुंचा, तो उसमें कंटिन्यूसली उसको -8 बार जंप करना पड़ा और -8 बार ऊपर जाना पड़ा और -8 टाइम्स उसको नीचे आना पड़ा. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशंस. मूव्स इन पार्ट सेकेंड रिप्रेजेंट गोइंग 8 step up 8 step. So here is the solution is completed, student. Hope you people understood. If any doubt is there, can ask me to my WhatsApp number, and take the WhatsApp number from your class teacher. Thank you everyone.